Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have amazing color correction for you guys. My cousin Holly has blue hair, green hair, teal hair, yellow hair, red hair, purple hair. I'm not even exaggerating. Wait till you guys see it. I decided I want to do a half highlight because she always bleaches her hair and changes it literally every few days. So it's crazy. I'm going to put bleach on it, but I think everything will be okay. We're going to do a trim and I'm going to show you guys a half highlight and see what we can do to try to even out this color a little bit and give us an idea where to go from here. If this is something you guys want to see, and I guarantee you do, stay tuned. Yeah. See guys, what we're gonna do is, she has a lot of damage. Like, look at that. It's like hay. We're gonna cut it, but we're gonna wait till after we're done. And we're gonna do a partial highlight and a paint between it. So pray for us.
He's about to mix up some bleach.
I love the smell of Goldwell bleach.
I've never seen anybody watching you today do what you do as good as you do it, and I don't care. Like, nobody could touch you.
Aww.
Especially if you're into hair, like just the mixing. I love it.
I know it. I do too. I love mixing a bowl of bleach. I love foils. I love everything.
It's awesome.
This is a Fanola's version of Olaplex.
Okay.
Fiber fix.
Okay.
Just a couple squirts. She needs all the protection that we can give.
Yep.
We know there's going to be damage, so we don't need haters talking crap.
Yep. I did it to myself.
We just need to do a half highlight because we have the time and we want to get her on the right track. All right, let's go get this done.
Let's do it.
Guys, I want you to see exactly all of the different tones and colors. We were going to do this in 2 months and give her hair some time, but you know what? We're just going to do a half highlight, all this and this. This underneath doesn't matter. People aren't going to see that. And then the next time in 2 months when she comes back, we'll go and do a full after we let her hair take a break. We know there's going to be damage. We don't need negative comment. She's very frazzled. Like, this is all damaged. Is that a word? Damaged, not damaged. Damaged. And yeah, pray for us. All right, guys, I have a crazy transformation for you today. As you can see, I do YouTube to teach and give out education, and I am one of those people who keep it real at all times. My model is my cousin Holly, and she has completely destroyed her hair. Clearly, we are aware. We do not need to be reminded down below in the comment section. No negativity, please. This is for learning purposes. With all that being said, most people wouldn't put Lightener on her damaged hair, but my family, we all have extremely strong hair. She's my cousin who knew the possibilities of damage going into today's session. With that being said, I'm using Goldwell Oxycur, my new favorite Lightener, with 20 volume and a ton of Fanola's Fiber Fix. Holly has lightened her hair with box bleach from CVS more than 10 times, and she was just red last week, bleached out the top and sides, and she got it decent to a level 7 and 8, and then applied the blue vivid color. Some spots did not take evenly, and I do believe she's using Splat, you know, the box dye you can get at your local pharmacy. This truly is a hair disaster. I don't know how many colorists on YouTube would post something like this, but you guys are here to learn and I'm here to teach. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to try to even this out a little bit today. I'm not doing a full highlight. I'm going to do a half baby light to see how the hair holds up. This will also give me a future idea of how to tackle it later on in the future. So after I do each section with tightly packed baby lights back to back, I'm going to do a paint between only for the first inch or two between each foil using Redken shades EQ, 3NB, and 4NB with 10 volume. When I'm done with the paint between on each section, I am taking a little subsection hair left out and applying another foil to kick out any remaining blue and blending up into the root color, which is the shades EQ. This is a lot of work and very tedious, but worth it. I didn't want to go in and do a platinum card. I prefer baby lights and painted dropouts.
Walking alone in the middle of the night, we shine brighter than a diamond. We were strangers at the start, now we can't be apart. Sitting in the back of the cab, listen to hits from the past. Memories slowly arouse. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. Whenever I'm not with you, it feels like falling down. I can't stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you.
I forgot to mention I did bump my volume on my developer up. I'm doing 30 volume for the dropout subsections because they're not going to get the heat from the head, so the 30 will help them process a little bit better. She's going to use Fanola and Olaplex treatments and all that good product and do many treatments over the next several months to try to keep this hair on her head until it grows out. Products can make hair that's fried feel better, but once hair is gone, it's gone. All we can do is try to baby it until it grows out with fresh hair. With this correction, there are many directions people could take. If I just put a dark color all over, eventually when we lighten her up, it would have to kick through it anyway. So the best thing to do for me is to remove as much of this vivid color as possible. Now, Holly is eventually going to go blonde. That's what her goal is, and that's what she wants to do. So that's why I'm taking the route that I'm taking. No matter what we get today, we will be better than what she had when she walked through the door. This is why you should always pay the money and see a professional. It's not worth the amount of money you'll pay in the future for a correction.
Looking at pictures from the past, want to remember what we had. Haven't found anyone like you, baby, I don't know what to do. I'm trying to figure it out, but my mind is filled with doubt. When you're not here by my side, I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. You can never say never was what they sang. The fray from my speakers when we laid in bed. Younger now than we were before. It's you that I truly adore. Stop thinking about it.
So after we finished the many steps of this amazing color correction, I let her process for about 40 minutes and she lifted very, very well. A beautiful perfect level 8 to be exact. Yes, it wasn't perfect or even by any means, but way better than it was. We are going to now root smudge her. I'm using my favorite line to root smudge with, and that's the Demi Liquid Lumishine 4N3NA with 5 volume.
Walking alone in the middle of the night, we shine bright than a diamond. We were strangers at the start, now we can't be apart. Sitting in the back of the cab, listen to hits from the past. Memories slowly arouse. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. Whenever I'm not with you, it feels like falling down. I can't stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you. Stop thinking about you.
Alright guys, so we're going to tone her hair. I'm going to use 7N, 8N, 8C, 7VB, and we're going to pray that it works out. I want her to be neutral with 7N, 8N. So I'll do 9 grams of 7N. I'll do like 5 grams of 8N. And then I'm going to add some 7VB to cancel out any yellow in her blonde hair. But then I'm going to add 8C, which is cayenne pepper. It's copper.
Ooh, spicy.
Just a little bit of that because there's some green that's lingering through the hair. And let's keep our fingers crossed. 1 to 1 will be 48. And then we're gonna go toner. Wish us luck.
You might have.
Keep your fingers crossed, guys. Hopefully this 8 copper and a little bit of ash and a little bit of neutral works. Anything is better than what we started with. And this is just to give us a better idea of what to do next. So
Yep, stay tuned.
And just so you guys know, I added the copper in there in the formula to help out the hair because she's very, very damaged and the porosity issues we have. I didn't want it to suck up and go any funky colors on me.
Miracle, this man does miracles.
I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but for what we started with, we know there's a little bit of damage. She's like me, she changes her mind on color every day. But for the most part, look how much better it looks than it did before. We still have like 18 different colors underneath, some green, some red, some blue. But this was an amazing first session, and we like it, and that's all that matters. Let me know what you guys think, DM me. Am I crazy for putting bleach on her hair? Probably, but it's my cousin. You like it, Holly?
I love it.
Okay, good. And she's not being sarcastic, she really does love it. Alright guys, not perfect by any means, but way better than it was. Let me know down below what you think, and let me know videos you want to see in the future. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Scary times we're living in, but until the next one, I love you all, and so long for now.
Now than we were before. It's